Coming up in this video, I've got a really fun rum for you to try. This is Rum Ting. I've got a quick review. I'm going to tell you what it smells like, what it tastes like. I'm going to tell you my favourite sort of highball serve, simple mixers that you can pop with it. And then coming up right at the end, I've got a few cocktail serves for you. So if you want to know about Rum Ting, stay tuned. Hey Spiced Rum fans, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos will help you drink, serve and enjoy better quality spiced rum. Flavoured rum, spiced rum, I love my spiced rums, but we're going flavoured rums today. If that sounds like your cup of tea, if you love what I'm doing, if you love your spiced rums, hit me up in the comments below. So let's start a conversation. Tell me what your favourite rums are. Tell me what your favourite mixers are. Tell me what your favourite spiced rum cocktails are. If you want me to feature any spiced rums on videos in the future, again, drop them in the links below. Right, let's crack on. Any gin fans that have clicked the thumbnail thinking, hang on, that looks familiar, that looks like a gin, then yes, it is. This is the first rum from these guys. They have their two gins, Gin Ting. The second one was the berries. The first gin that they released was exactly the same flavour as this. Passion fruit, mango and elderflower, but all they've done is they've taken that infusion and putting it into rum. Now I've met Chris, the owner of Gin Ting and Rum Ting, a few times now, mainly at the bar shows. He's a lovely guy and I love his kind of ethos. Again, he just wants to create some fun drinks. Gin Ting as the brand came out very early 2018. Instantly was a massive hit. Now normally I would read you the back of the bottle because there's normally with rums there's normally a really great marketing story. However, Chris has done something very different. If I spin that round so you can see it on the close-up, there is no story. Instead there is a photo. That right there is Chris on his paddleboard while on holiday in Cornwall. It's on the River Gannel, which is it's Crantock, just south of the Fistral, literally the next bay around from the Fistral in Newquay, and that's where the inspiration came from. This is brand spanking new out. Early September 2019 is when it kind of got launched. I don't know too much about the base liquid. Also, I know it's a Guyana sort of white rum. It is 42.5% though. So all Chris will do with this, he'll ship the Guyanese rum back over to the UK, and then it'll get flavoured up with passion fruit, with mango, with elderflower. Wow, that is very, very different to any kind of rum that I've smelled or tasted before. It smells tropical. Interestingly, the big notes I get off that are pineapple, probably mango. It all comes together. I'm not getting any elderflower on there at all. But oh boy, does that smell like fun in a bottle. So here's the first surprise for me. I actually thought it was a yellow bottle, and it's not. That's actually the colour of the rum. It's a lovely sort of goldeny, fruity, kind of orangey colour. Really love that. And the bottle is actually clear. So that is the colour of the liquid. On the taste, the strength of the rum comes through. It is a lovely, kind of reminds me of fruit salads. That's what I'm getting off there. Just little sweets, those fruit salad sweets. Absolutely love it. The first taste I get is that big hit sort of tropical mangoes and passion fruits, but as it goes down the back of the throat, that's for me when the elderflower comes out. Maybe a slight sort of peppery spice kick to it. I'm not quite sure what else goes into it. I want to kind of say maybe a bit of clove, cinnamon or something like that, maybe even ginger. In actual fact, that could be what it is, ginger in there. But that is absolutely delicious. Really cannot wait to play about with that with mixers and see what it tastes like there. I can tell straight away that's going to be amazing for some of the cocktails I've got in mind to show you in a bit. Right then, simple serves, mixes, highballs, whatever you want to call them. As you can see, I've had a really good play with that. That is just a fun drink. So mixer one, this is just a normal supermarket lemonade. It's their recommended serve and I can see why. I don't often go lemonade. I don't know why. I kind of do like lemonade. Normally I would have Sprite or 7-Ups, things like that. Haven't got any. I've just got normal supermarket lemonade at the moment. That just works very, very well, but I think I can go better. My first proper out and out recommended serve, Fentiman's Tropical Soda, pineapple, cardamom in there, hints of juniper, kaffir, lime leaf, hints of pear extract as well. That, wow. Absolutely love those two together. If you are a tonic fan as well, the Elixir Boys with their tonics, I love their tonics. Their normal tonics are great, but they're 3 flavoured ones, rhubarb and ginger, blood orange and clementine, absolutely delicious. But this one, elderflower and lemon, or lemon and elderflower tonic with that, is just absolutely superb. Tall glass, loads of ice, chilled tonic water, that is just amazing. Tiny touch bitter quinine going on there, balances out the kind of big, bold, fruity tropical notes. Rum and tonic, if that is your thing, try that tonic water out. This was another obvious one I wanted to try. Rum Ting. There you go. How's about that? I'm crap at naming drinks. Works very well. The grapefruit, kind of bitter sort of grapefruit, balances out the big sort of sweeter, bold, fruity notes in there. Delicious. But the 2 mixers I want to turn my attention to are these Franklin's and Sons soda waters. They are amazing low calorie sodas that pack a punch. This one is guava lime with a slight hint of ginger in it, and this one is pineapple, cardamom and a slight hint of pepper in there. Low calories, 49 calories a bottle. I think if we're breaking it down per 100 ml, whereas at 18 calories per 100 ml, and that's just what you're going to need with them, and they are going to be the focus of some of the cocktails I'm going to show you in a minute. Right then, cocktail time. I've got 4 cocktails that I'm going to show you with this. The first cocktail is going to be kind of a tropical mojito with a flipped up soda water that I've just shown you. That's going to be right here, right now in this video. The other 3 cocktails I'm going to do exclusively on IGTV as well. So if you're following me on Instagram, make sure you jump over there at Steve the Barman. They will get released shortly after this video. So there's 3 other cocktails that you can do with RumTing over on my IGTV. Right, tropical mojito. All you need is a tall glass. Then you just want to roll and then chop up a lime to get all that juice out, and chop it up into 6 wedges and squeeze all 6 wedges in. You should end up with about 25 ml of lime juice. There's no need to muddle. You can do if you want. I don't tend to bother. I just squeeze them in, but you just want all that juice out. Right, the next ingredient you want is 15 ml of sugar syrup. Now you just need 10 to 12 decent sized mint leaves. Pop them in your palm of your hand, give them a spank and pop them in. Now for your soda water, I'll be honest, I couldn't decide which one to use. I'm going to go with the guava and lime one with a slight hint of ginger in this, because I'm going to save the pineapple one for another cocktail. Again, you can see that on IGTV. So you just want to fill your glass about half full. Just to measure, just so you've got a rough idea, there's 50. I'm probably going to go another 25. So we've got 75 ml of soda water. And that's the guava with Persian lime and a slight hint of ginger. Now what I do with my mojitos, I just add 3 or 4 cubes of big chunky ice, take a long bar spoon and just kind of churn, just to sort of slightly chill the drink down, bring the limes and the mint to the top. And then just top up with crushed ice. Take another decent mint sprig, back of the palm of the hand, awake the aroma. Pop the mint sprig in, straw goes right beside the mint sprig, and then serve and enjoy. Wow, I have to say, that is the one most fun, lovely, fruity, just clean mojitos that I've possibly ever made. I absolutely love that. So that's my Rum Ting mojito, finished off with the guava and Persian lime, Franklin's and Sons soda water. For the other 3 cocktail recipes that I'm going to do with this, make sure you go and check me out over on IGTV on my Instagram channel at Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.